Hello. Today's topic is limit of detection. In pharmaceutical analysis, limit of detection is one of the technique of validation. There are two techniques mainly: limit of detection LOD or limit of quantitation LOQ. Definition: it can be defined as the lowest amount of the analyte in a sample that can be detected but not necessarily quantified. It is the smallest amount or concentration of an analyte that can be estimated with acceptable reliability. An alternative definition of the limit of detection and limit of determination is based upon variability of the blank. The blank value plus 3 times the standard deviation of the blank is taken as the detection limit, and the blank value plus 10 times the standard deviation of the blank is taken as the determination limit. The detection limit is only useful for control of undesirable impurities that are specified as not more than a specified low level or for low level contaminants. Limit of detection and determination are unnecessarily for composition specifications, although the statistical problem of whether or not limit is violated is same near zero as it is a finite value. LOD is estimated by DL is equal to 3.3 S by S, where capital S is the slope of calibration curve and small s is the standard deviation of blank reading or standard deviation of regression line, validated by assaying samples at DL and QL. How LOD is determined? There are two methods. First is the based on visual approach. Detection limit is determined by analysis of sample with known concentration of analyte and by establishing the minimum level at which the analyte can be reliably detected. Another method is based on signal to noise ratio. S by N ratio is performed by comparing measured signals from samples with known low concentration of analyte with those of blank samples and by establishing the minimum concentration at which the analyte can be reliably detected. A S by N ratio between 3:1 and 2:1 is generally accepted. LOD can be determined as a signal to noise ratio. The graph is shown below, where S is the height of signal and N is the height of noise.